she love, now you love rocks and you rocks too. Baby, I make girls around me my block, and you're the only one I trust. I'ma stay true till the end too. It's very deep inside of me, but I felt like it's something that I should let you know. Your L.O.V. it got me falling empty, got me talking yummy, me feel happier than happy. And baby, I can guarantee that we are meant to be. And baby, I'm glad to be. I always wanna glow in your heart forever and ever. This is something got me feeling when you're talking with another guy. You got me chilly, yes, and got me feeling like I should die. Even I also wanna try talking with another girl, just to let you know about how I felt when they did that. All these troubles and rumors about us will fade away like poetry emotion. Good time is ahead of us, for the both of us. All we need now is to stay strong and true to one another. Baby, I just got done talking to your ex too, so don't be living when he tell you that it's all the rest is. So we know he just wants to win you back.
Pull me close, break my bones, say you stay true, we don't tear me down. Everyone, tell me what I can do, let me cross into you all this while. Yeah, I lost this fear of loving you.
She got the eyes of a mother and a candid heart. You're an angel in disguise, you're the Ronnie to my Clyde. Oh, that's right, me and all my homies agree that you're the one I desire. I thank the Lord in a sword that I won't let you bury, Lord. All the time things may not seem what they are. Them say what they wanna say, them do what they wanna do. They can never take away what's between me and you. At times I make it cry and I often ask myself why. All the rest I make it dry. How will I ratify? You wanna make me swallow my pride, I wanna make you my wife and let this love survive. We in this bitch just together, there ain't no what's in between me and you. I've been needing you for the rest of my life, cause you're the left to my right, and you better get it right. Cause all I really want you to do to me is cool.